You got everything loaded? All right, we're heading to the river. Time to do some fishing.
Camping.
Sandbar camping. Grilling. Lots of fun. A little windy out here today, huh? Drop a big load off is what we're gonna do. Get the tent set up, aren't we?
Yeah.
Get everything set. They'll be fishing for a little bit, and then the rest of the fam's coming out and enjoy the day. Hopefully we catch some walleyes quick after we get set up, huh? Oh, that looks pretty cool. What do you think? Is that a good spot? Looks like a good spot. We'll see how it looks up there. Let's go check it out. Check it out before we bring everything out. Cold? Kind of poopy. Look at all this poop. Ooh. What do you think? You don't really want to camp here? You want to try another spot? Okay. On to the next spot. All right, we just moved, checking up some more spots here before we dump everything. That other spot was full of goose poop, so we're gonna, this looks pretty sweet up here, doesn't it? Right on the water. Water's not supposed to come up at all, so that's good. Oh, that might be our stuff right there, dude. Ooh, it's a little shallow here though. Maybe it's because we're right on the wing dam right now. Yeah, we were just on the wing dam. I thought we were gonna beach it out here, dude. I mean, that one looks better, doesn't it? Let's try that one up here. This is gonna be super sweet. Ah, gosh dang, goose prints, goose feathers, more goose poop. It's all right, it's not as bad as that other spot was. Let's just walk a little bit and see if we find any spots that are less poopy. Gosh dang geese. This isn't bad right here, dude. We got that dead tree there. Little dead tree right here, but other than that, we shouldn't have to worry about anything falling on us. I think we should go right here, dude. Look, we even have a little bonfire pit. And there's not much poop right here. Well, we found a spot. Not much for depth out in front of us, but not much goose poop right here. It's just loaded over there by the boat. And with the family and dog coming out, I'm sure they'll get into it either way, but the sand's good. Little shells here and there, but nothing crazy. Nice and sandy here. This is us, dude. Yeah. Okay, you figure out where the tent's gonna go. I'm gonna move the boat over here so we can unload. Whoa. Ah. Jeez, what do you got in here? Okay, so this is where our tent's gonna be, right here. So, seeing that it's gonna be right here, you need to go and move all the sticks out of here. Okay? Okay, I wanna get the tent set up first. This thing is clutch when it comes to bedding and camping on a sandbar. No sand gets in there. Big old rubber duffel bag. Huh?
Where did I put the sticks?
Over by the campfire. It's a pretty cool spot we have, don't we? All right, now we can keep our stuff on here. There you go. Look at you. We can get wood more, or we can get more wood later. I need your help right now. Okay, hold it up. Right about there. Ah, it looks pretty cool. She's ready, Freddy. Let's go see if we can catch some walleyes. I think we're set. That was pretty quick, huh? Theo's still looking for firewood. We got some dead stuff here. We got some dead stuff down there too. And I brought a little saw that I'm gonna put to work. But right now we're gonna go do some fishing. We're gonna set up a little trail camera. This is a cell cam that I got. And I like bringing it on my sandbar camping trips so that it'll catch anybody trying to screw with our stuff.
I can see the black thing.
Okay, we're gonna go out and do some fishing. We got camp all set up. Theo grabbed some firewood here. Ooh, look at that. Perfect timing, dude.
I did it all.
Hey. Yeah, but what did I do? Did I do absolutely nothing? Start of camp getting set up. Just the start. Let's rock and roll. Let's go catch some fish. And we're off. Just right down here. We're not going far. Okay, so Theo wants a rod holder. We already got a silver one on, so I think you should go pink or perch colored. I think that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Not an exact perch pattern. Okay, so this one's gonna be yours, buddy. This is how you let it out. You just press that button, and then when you want to stop, you just click that. Okay? So we're gonna be trolling with the big motor, so it probably won't be very quiet on the film. But let's get started. And I'll press the button. Yep. Press it. Okay, now is there line coming out? Is it still coming out? Let it out. Oh my God, I already got one, Theo. Get out of here. Theo already got a fish. Get it.
Got it.
Good job. Oh, it came off in the net too. All right, you got that. I don't know. You got the bump board? I think it's gonna be short. Jeez, that took all of what? 10 seconds?
Yeah. I hit.
It's gonna be close. Oh, nope, short.
What?
14 and a half. It's gotta hit 15. 15's the big one.
Oh.
That took 15 seconds. I think we're gonna catch some walleyes in this little channel. Look at that. Awesome. All right, it's a 14 and a half, so we're gonna let him go, but man, he's thick. Let's let him go over here. There he goes. That was crazy. That did not take long, son. All right, let's keep going. No, you'll see. It'll be like this. First fish of the day was a Walter. So hopefully that's a good sign, right? Oh, there you go. Go easy. Go nice and easy. Go nice and easy. Gotta make sure you got tension on him still. Keep going. Got it? It's a walleye. It's a little guy. Good job. Looks like another 14 and a half incher. Good job, dude. You did that perfect. Did you see how it...
Yeah. I thought there was like a baby.
Hold on now, let me get this out of here first. There's a lot of hooks right now.
Got hooked twice.
Ooh, it's gonna be close, son. Yeah, I figured he was gonna do that. Same as Daddy's. 14 and a half. 14 and a half incher going back, son. There he goes. Cast it back out there. Here. Make sure the hooks aren't on the line. So what it's doing right there is just kind of touching bottom. It's kind of touching bottom and coming back up. So it's not a fish, but you'll see when it's a fish. Yeah, it's just punching bottom. Boom, 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 boom. It's good. Okay, well, we did a couple of passes. Got two, actually we just got done with our second pass. Nothing on the way down, but and nothing on the way back up, but I mean, it's 12 o'clock. I can't imagine too many walleyes are gonna be hitting right now. So we marked a couple fish on the side scan here. So we're gonna see what they are. And then we gotta go pick up my wife, daughter, and who else we got coming out?
Kaya.
Oh boy, Kai's coming out. There's some fish. That's what we want.
What is that? What's that? Big walleye?
It is a walleye. Get it, Theo. Get it. Nice. Keeper. Bring him in.
It is fat.
It is fat. All we need is a nice 17-incher. All right. Ooh, Theo, help me get this big 17-incher. We're going to throw him in the live well and then put him over the fire. Sissy and Mama and our puppy comes out and get him some water, huh, dude? Get the net. Oh.
I wasn't ready either.
Broke off. I think it was a northern. Shoot.
I wasn't ready too.
Well, there's a channel that comes this way and then a channel that kind of swoops in, and there's a little kind of pocket right here where there's a bunch of bait fish. I saw it on the side scan when we were trolling, marking fish, so we just stopped in here. I had something on. I think it was a northern, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we caught that nice eater walleye that we're gonna have for lunch over the fire, huh?
Yeah.
All right, let's go get Mama, Sissy, and Kaya. What's in there, Mila?
Walleye.
Walleye? Oh my goodness. We got the boat loaded up.
Worms? Minnows in?
No. What are you missing? Oh, look.
All right, we're just behind camp here, looking for some firewood. There, Mila likes it. Is that better? Kind of windy out here, but we've been just chilling for about 2 hours. Me and Theo made a little live wall around these rocks for our walleye. So we're gonna put our walleye in there and have them for dinner because it's already like 2:30, 2:45. So we're just gonna wait and cook them up at dinner with our burgers. With our bear burgers. Mama and Sissy are building sandcastles and moats. Mr. Walleye. Kai, get. Fresh water. Oh yeah. There's some sediment right there that's kicked up when we were kind of digging it out a little bit. Kai, get. Mila, come look at the walleye.
He said, don't open it. His tail almost got shot.
I think the fam's gonna hang out for maybe another hour and then we're gonna take them back, and Theo and I are gonna zip back here and make dinner, an early dinner, so that we can fish the rest of the night. Got our tripod set up for later. Now we can just cook right when we get home. No, I don't need a net. Oh,
Sheephead. Is that sheephead?
Walleye. Oh, get it out of here. Yeah, gross. Oh, bluegill. Well, a couple mooneye. We're gonna go eat so that we can come back and fish for a while after dinner, pull some cranks, hopefully get into some good walleye. Home sweet home, dude. Yeah, go check on that walleye. We're gonna have to clean that buddy up before dinner. He is alive and well, that's for sure. Okay, now he's let him sit there.
Is he gonna be dead?
Yep, he's gonna bleed out. He's gonna go quick. Walleye for an appetizer?
You just cut all that.
Watch your fingers. Big fatty, isn't it?
Yeah. Say that again.
Big fatty, isn't it?
Yeah. For those stuff.
What do you mean?
That.
That's the rib cage here
Oh.
that we went around. I like a smaller knife, you know? Just like that.
That's
Watch
the-
out. See through it?
I can see your knife like
Yeah.
shade.
That means we did good. All right, that's all we need to do. Now we just need to rinse these. Say thank you, walleye.
Thank you, Walleye.
All right, dude. Our walleye's going on. Boom.
No.
And boom. Seasoning on first. We got a little salt, pepper, garlic. And we're just gonna add some slabs of butter. And I don't think it's gonna be bad. Fire's nice and hot. Lower on down. We'll probably give it like 10 minutes. That's about as fresh as it gets right there, dude. He was on the grill within 15 minutes. Well, while the fish is cooking, we're gonna get our bear burger ready. Just gonna throw it in this Ziploc. I shot this bear in the fall last year, and we've been loving it. We usually mix it with a little bit of beef, but we're going straight black bear tonight, boy. Go Walleye yet.
Pieces off and then show them in the fire.
Good job. There, she's getting nice and warm.
Don't you have to flip it over?
Nope. Oof. There we are. That was pretty good, don't it?
Yeah.
Because we have enough meat for 4. Cooking burgers.
Good fish.
My man. Yeah, nice and thick. Look at them. Big old thick pieces right there. Pin bones are still in there, but we spit them out.
Is this hot?
Not bad. Oh no. We lost one. Lost the burger. Got some cheese on there. Here you go, bud. Good Just the boys hanging out tonight. Boys out here with some bear burgers. All right, dude, what'd you think of dinner? Fresh walleye, bear burgers.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Sheesh. You're too good to me, dude. We're gonna get cleaned up here, straighten up the site a little bit. Not too much to do, but we're gonna do that and then we're gonna go trolling on that channel again.
This is like a man. Now we're. I think there's 2. Yeah, there's 2.
Well, I think that's gonna do it for tonight. We gave it a good shot, huh?
Yeah.
8:45. We could keep fishing for a little bit longer, but we still gotta get our beds set. I mean, hey, we ate fresh walleye for dinner. We can't complain too bad, right? Perfect night out here, though. It's gonna be a good sunset. Marked a ton of fish, but they just did not want to cooperate. Oh, yeah. That baby ain't going no way. Well, we're just gonna burn some firewood we had. The bugs are not that bad, actually. And Theo's doing good, so. At the fire for a little bit longer, then we're hitting the hay, dog. It's just an absolute perfect night out. You got charcoal all over your eye. See how it's smoking a lot? It's about to take off. It's about to rip off. Give it a little. Oh yeah, give it more than that. There you go.
Yeah.
You did it.
I had a little fire.
You did it, dude. Winding down, bud.
Yeah.
You got a big old fire roasting.
Wish we had marshmallows.
Marshmallows would be good.
Yeah.
I think we got some chips in the tent. Uh-oh. Mosquitoes are out, bud. Bad. The mosquitoes are out. They're savages. We got a barge coming by right now. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it, bud?
Yeah.
About 10 o'clock. Hitting the hay. Oh, didn't sleep too bad. Wake up, get some coffee going, try to get some more fishing in. As long as we can get the slug awake this morning. Big dog. Hopefully we can find them walleyes again this morning. So get some fishing in. Okay, we're heading out fishing.
Yeah.
This dude sprung up. Might try for some walleye, might try for some panfish that we were marking. Nice calm morning. Not too many people out either. See what we can do. Yep, yep, yep. Oh, bluegill, baby. Bluegill in 12 feet of water. Here, I want to see that thing. First fish of the morning. Ooh, that is a pretty one. Nice job. 12 feet of water, right in this little channel, backwater channel. Hit on a bottom rig worm.
Yeah.
Yeah, that thing is sweet. All right.
What was that?
Smallmouth. Jeez, look at that boat, bud. Holy smokes, hang on, dude. Hang on. Shh. All right, buddy. Ready to pack up? Yep. All right, we're gonna do a little time lapse. See how long it takes us. It's 25 minutes. No trace left behind. But we got a messy boat. We gotta do a lot of cleaning when we get home, huh? Did you have fun? Got our garbage. First camp out. I was telling Theo last night that we didn't do it last year at all, but we did it like 3 times the year before. Didn't catch too many fish, but we did have a couple walleye. We also had walleye over the grill, which was really good. You really liked that, didn't you? Head on home and start cleaning.